Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about spare parts for generators. Now some of you are going, well, I don't have a generator. Okay, then you can maybe share this with some of your friends that do have a generator. I'm trying to remember who it was, put out a video, it's been about a month and a half now, about they had a little power outage there, and they went to start their generator up, and the little short fuel line going from the tank down to the carburetor had cracked, and so when I turned the thing out, it started leaking, and they couldn't use their generator, and had a problem finding that particular fuel line, and the odd size of it. So what they wound up doing is, when they did find it, they got plenty of parts for it to fix the generator, no matter what was going wrong with it. So that's something to consider, is to have the parts to fix your generator, and so that if it does something happen to it while it's not being used and you're waiting to use it, and then you go to fire it up and it's not working, you have the parts to fix it quickly. Now, since the generators usually generally have a small motor running them, you can apply that to other stuff like lawnmowers, ride-on lawnmowers, log splitters, stuff like that as well. All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, clothing, medicine. Add a new skill each month, such as small engine repair, and plant something to grow indoors to grow. Even though it's maybe warming up in your area, well, it's not here, but if it's warming up in your area where you get ready to plant outdoors, there are certain things you may want to try to grow indoors where the bugs can't get them.